A is equal to 5, D is equal to 3, AN is equal to 50. Find N and Sn term and Sn. Is it? So AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. If you substitute AN is equal to 50, A5, N minus 1 into 3. Is it? Plus Y will come here, so it will be 50 minus 5, 45. And relation of N minus 1 and 3 is multiplication. It will go in division. So it will become 15. 15 and minus 1. Minus 1 goes on that side. It will become plus. So N is equal to 16. Now, AN or last term and the first term is given. So Sn is equal to N by 2 A plus N. So 16 by 2 plus 5 plus 50, 55. 55 into 16 divided by 2. 6. So it becomes, so it will become 8 into 55. 8 into 55, 440. Is it? Here, given A is equal to 7, A13 is 35, and D is equal to, you have to find D, and S13 you have to find. Is it? So let's find N first. D. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. A is 7 and 13. What is that? It is A13 is equal to 35 means N13. Okay, N is 13. So AN is equal to A plus N minus 1D. AN is 35, A is 7, N minus 1 means 13 minus 1. Is it? Into D. 13 minus 1 is 12. So 7 this side. So 35 minus 7 is equal to 12 minus D. So it is 28. 28 is equal to 12D. So D will divide it. So 28 divided by 12. So D is equal to 7 by 3. Substitute this value here. So D we already found. Sn is equal to N by 2. A plus L. We have to find S13. So N is equal to 13. So S13 is equal to 13 by 2 plus A plus L is 35. So 35 plus 7, 48. Is it? It is 42. Is it? So it is 13 by 2 into 42. So if you divide it, you will get 21. 21 into 13 is 243. Is it here? It's the same. A you have to find here, and S12 is given. Given A12 first, and S12 you have to find. So N is 12, and A12 is 37. D is equal to 3. So you can find the same way. And substituting the value, you can find the value of A, and then substituting A value, you can find out S12 as 246. Is it? Fourth is also like this. A is equal to A3 is equal to 15, and using this formula, first you find D. Okay, A3 is given. A3 is equal to A plus what will come? 3 minus 1 into D or 2D. So 15 is equal to A plus 2D. That will come. Understood? Now here we don't have the last term, so we have to use the general formula of Sn, N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Is it? All values are given. So first we get equation from the first, that 15 is equal to A plus 2D. Second equation, if you solve by Sn, you will get 25 is equal to 2A plus 9D. Solving this first and second equation, is it? You have to make the coefficient of A or D equal. So let's multiply the equation 1 by 2 and second by 1. So coefficient will become equal. Then we're changing the sign. We can get the value of A. We can get the value of, is it? A become equal, so it will be cancelled. So we can get the value of D. So D is equal to minus 1. Substituting this value in the equations, we get A is equal to 17. Is it? So now we got A is equal to 17, D is equal to minus 1, N is equal to 10. So AN is equal to A plus AN is equal to A plus N minus 1D. So A10 will become, substituting this value, we got A10 is equal to 8. Is it? What is the question next? 5. D is equal to 5. S is equal to 20, S9 is equal to 75, A and you have to find A and A9. So S9 is given, so formula with use of Sn. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Substituting this value of S9, 75, 9, n as a 9, a is not given, so a you have to find, it is 2a, and 9 means 9 minus 1, 8 into d is given as 5. So solving this and substituting and solving this, we can get from this equation the value of a. How will get it? You multiply this 2 with 75, so it will become 250. So 250 divided by 9 is equal to 2a plus 40. Is it 2a plus 40? So solving this, we get the value of a as minus 35 by 3. So a is minus 35 by 3, d is 5, you have to find, and n is 9, you have to find a9. A9 formula is a9 is equal to a plus n minus 1d, or we can also write a9 is equal to a plus 8d. Substituting this value, you will get minus 85 by 3. Is it? Like this, only the two formulas is used. You can continue like this. See in this video, and if you have any doubt, then you can ask me. So like this, you can substitute. Here is a multiplication. Relation of n and 2 is in division, so it will multiply. You will have to simplify this. Okay, and if you do like this, then you can get. Okay, you can get the value of n. This is in a fraction, which is not possible. So n is equal to 5. So n is equal to 5. Now a is equal to 2, d is equal to 5, and n is equal to also 5. You can find an. Like this, an will be 34. So carry on this. See, if you have any problem, then you can see. Sn is given 210. So first we have to apply Sn formula. A is equal to minus, a is equal to 8, and an is equal to 62. So first Sn is, so you apply the Sn formula, you will get n from there, and after getting n, you can get it. Apply the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1, an formula, you can get d. So this whole exercise is using these two formulas only by substituting the values. So this is the way you have to do it. So please go through it. Up to this 10th sum, you do it today.